Ew.
Touchdown. Walking.
Healing time until check-in ng 2 p.m.
Hi guys, we are going outside. Kakatapos lang namin mag-sex. Sarap.
Avail our Telegram lifetime access.
Gago. So, ganito kataas yung lalakarin na.
Normal lang yan po. Kesa naman mag-try
Hulaan mo saan pupunta yung mga kamay niya. Saan maabot ang kamay?
Dito gumaganon, ganun gumaganon.
Hi.
I'm gonna eat taco.
Recommended by Benedict. Gusto niya yung 8. Kaso wala namang gano'n. 5, 10, 15 lang.
Last time kasi, story time. Close na sila. Pero, in-order ko mga 10 pieces.
Oh my God, sa'yo lang.
Binigay nila lang. Pero,
Bakit hindi pa sila close? Okay, ang trip ko naman ngayon. First day, dinner, takoyaki dahil wala kaming maayos na itinerary.
uy,
Or just roaming around the city. You know, so cold.
we are in Volante.
For what?
For their dessert na paborito. I think it's called Choco Vanilla Affair.
Hot choco ba ito?
It's brownie. May ice cream.
Okay, parang lava cake. Ang arte na okay. Here. This one. May black highlights na. Wala ba tayo red? Okay. We're done with my agenda. Tinignan ko siya.
Mainit yan.
Sarap. Yes, sir. New amats for today.
Enchilado mango.
Enchilado Domingo. Hindi sirao. Yes, sir. Gago ang pot. Tikman mo.
My intrusive thought is intrusive.
Everything here is cheap.
Asim.
At Ruiz's for this mommy.
It's cold outside. Nice.
Hello guys. We're here at the B&B. Anyway, ngayon nag-prepare na ako ng breakfast. Nag-noodles kami and sa kanya yung may sabaw. So ngayon, just preparing our stuff and eat and then we prepare and then go. So, ito yung view ng BNB sa labas. Anti-Session Road, malapit siya. Content. It's a Monday here in Baguio pala. So, Monday, yun yung traffic.
My breakfast is 3 eggs
And
and ramen noodles
ramen noodles.
with rice noodles on the side.
Wow! The supposed itinerary was Kamchanhe, tapos magbe-berry mama kami doon. And tambay. Kaso nga, sobrang lakas ng ulan. Hindi ka namin kaya nga kasi trinay namin. Hot. Okay, first order, hot chocolate.
Ubus mo.
The zucchini chips. Wala kang jacket. Look. Food is here. We ordered kebab for the friend and Mediterranean pasta. Sobrang lamig. Right?
Okay.
Okay, lakad kami po. Okay.
Giniginaw. Ba't ka giniginaw?
Loud jacket na bang Elio yung suit?
Bading ka kasi.
Ay. Hello. Just woke up. 9:30 p.m. Have to go out kasi sayang time. Hindi kami natuloy sa mga itinerary like John Hay because of the rain. Like, na whitewash naman ako. Ano mo? We're out and about.
And it's raining hard.
And it's raining bad. Going to get some coffee. That's it. Lately, going to try to go out and make up for the lost night, lost itinerary because of the rain yesterday. We had 3 hours of sleep kasi
We were making
I lost limang places to do. We have 3 hours to do it. 7 a.m. to 10 a.m.
This is by far one of the most budget friendly but walang napuntahan.
Napuntahan because of that. Ayan, 1.4 per night lang yung BNB. Kagabi, ang mahal lang daw. Times 2 meter fare. So, ngayon, nag-abang ka.
Ayaw kasi ni Paul mag-jeep. Sabi ko mag-jeep kami para mura. Sabi niya, taxi, abang tayo, taxi.
Hindi ko nila talaga. Going to eat here in K Diner. It's open by 7. Or Apple Pay is available na. Try mo. Wala bang ganyan natin? So, I ordered chicken waffle and corned beef pretzel.
Bon appetit.
Yung Ebony and Emery.
Hello.
Ang napansin ko, hindi nag-overrate yung phone ko dito. Malamig. And the weather is, better. Kasi,
Yesterday was raining cats and dogs.
wow. Okay, metaphor king.
It's time to get back to reading books.
Okay, papasok na po ako. We're gonna try the mama here in Baguio. At 9 a.m. as the first customer. Here, we're gonna try their bestsellers.
Bestseller nila sa...
Oh, okay.
Yung strawberry galing sa Trinity.
As the first customer.
Here. You try it first.
Okay. Some cookie crumble inside. It
Yun yung
pairs
pinalagay.
well with the ice cream. You may try with the jam. Yeah. The ice cream tastes like
Yogurt ba to?
Jollibee ice cream.
Oo nga. Tama.
I didn't get to wear my outfit for day 2 and 3 kasi hindi kaya ng lamig yung suot ko. And nung ulan. So, inulit ko na lang yung first outfit. Hi guys, so we just checked out and we're going to SM para mag-kill time. Mandala namin yung baggages namin. 2 pa yung Victory Liner na book namin pa uwi. So, we're just gonna have lunch. For now, let's just go to SM and buy pasado.
Current situation. On the way.
We're here at SM Baguio Food Court to try what? Makimura.
Kimura ramen.
Midori po. Tapos ano ba talaga?
Palabas na rin yung...
This is just, I think, 260. Tapos ito 170.
For 100 lang. Sarap to.
Ikaw. Just to tell you guys, the itinerary and the budget. Siguro per person, I think allotted 7K for the budget. Knowing that na hindi masyado napuntahan yung itinerary. Pakita ko sa inyo yung supposed itinerary. Yun dyan. Tapos, ang nagastos ko, I think around 7K, including the fare, the stay, and the food.
Guys, we're here in the bus terminal going home. And I think I'm gonna wrap the vlog here. So, bye. Ciao. Thanks for watching.